This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add alt text when you're posting an image on Facebook. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Facebook. To place alt text on an image while you're posting it on Facebook, first thing I'm going to do is find my image. I'm going to go up to the What's on Your Mind area and I'm going to click on Photo Video. Now in this new dialog box, I'm going to click on Add Photos Videos. Now I'm going to find my image on my device here. I'm just going to use this random image here. I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on Open. Now to add the alt text for this image, I'm going to click on Edit. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Alternative Text. And by default, Facebook will attempt to add alternative text to any image that you post on Facebook, but usually it's not that accurate. As you can see, this is toggled on here. This is the automatic alt text. It says maybe an image of 4 people, people standing, and people playing sports. But to add, if you want to add your own custom alt text, you want to toggle this on right here. And then in this little box right here is where you would add your alternative text. I'm just going to type something short just for the sake of this video. Normally you would want to type something more defined for your alternative text. I'm just going to type this for the sake of the video. Then you would go down and you click on Save. And then to post the image, you would of course just click on Post. That is how you add alt text to an image on Facebook. Thanks for watching.